Struggling to lose weight despite all your efforts? You're not alone. But what if I told you that you can shed pounds quickly with just a few delicious whole food recipes? In this video, I'm sharing my top 5 whole food recipes that are not only easy to make, but also help you lose weight fast. Here's what you can expect. We'll start by discussing the benefits of whole foods for weight loss. Then I'll take you through each recipe step by step, with tips on how to make them even healthier. Stick around for a special success story at the end that will inspire you on your journey. Before we jump into the recipes, let's talk about why whole foods are so effective for weight loss. They are nutrient-dense, low in calories, and help keep you full longer. This means you can enjoy delicious meals while shedding pounds. Now, let's dive into our first recipe that's perfect for breakfast. Recipe number 1 is Overnight Oats. Combine rolled oats, chia seeds, almond milk, and your choice of fruits. Let it sit overnight, and you have a quick, filling breakfast that's packed with fiber. Plus, it's super customizable. Next, let's move on to a delicious and vibrant salad that's perfect for lunch. Recipe number 2 is a quinoa and kale salad. Quinoa is a complete protein, and when combined with kale, cherry tomatoes, and a lemon vinaigrette, you have a nutrient powerhouse. This salad is not only filling but also great for meal prep. Up next, we have a savory dish that's sure to satisfy your dinner cravings. Recipe number 3 is sweet potato and black bean tacos. Roast diced sweet potatoes and mix them with black beans, spices, and avocado. Serve in corn tortillas for a delicious and healthy dinner option that's packed with flavor. Now, let's sweeten things up with a healthy dessert option. Recipe number 4 is chia seed pudding. Just mix chia seeds with almond milk and a touch of honey, let it sit for a few hours, and top with your favorite fruits. It's a delicious and filling dessert that's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Finally, let's wrap things up with a refreshing drink that can boost your weight loss journey. Our last recipe is a Green Detox Smoothie. Blend spinach, banana, almond milk, and a spoonful of nut butter for a nutrient-dense drink that will energize you and help keep cravings at bay. Now that we've covered our 5 recipes, let's hear an inspiring success story to motivate you. Meet Lisa, who lost 15 pounds in just a month by incorporating these recipes into her daily routine. She found that eating whole foods not only helped her lose weight, but also made her feel more energized and vibrant. You can achieve these results too. Feeling inspired? Let's summarize everything we've discussed. So to recap, we covered 5 whole food recipes: overnight oats, quinoa and kale salad, sweet potato and black bean tacos, chia seed pudding, and a green detox smoothie. By incorporating these meals into your diet, you're well on your way to losing weight fast. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and comment below with your favorite whole food recipe. For more healthy cooking ideas, check out the videos on your screen now. Until next time, stay healthy.